All right, we have this GPU here. This one is a 3090. This one, when connected to power or computer, this light here comes on. The other one doesn't. If you don't have both power, that power is connected. Only if you got power on both, only one LED comes on. If you don't have any light, any cables plugged in, both lights come on. Red light, red light. Okay, let's see what we can do on this guy. I have no idea where to start. So let's disassemble the unit. See what magical situation we find. All right, BRB, I think. Let me see if this will work. Yep, sweet. Oh, it's not coming out, is it? Interesting. Interesting, okay. Oh, this has already been opened. Okay. That's interesting. The label is already ripped. That's already loose. I never enjoy working with units that have already been opened up. I just don't know what to expect. Adds more confusion and randomness. Well, customers' words were that it's possible of a VRAM. Well, VRAM will still turn on. I don't think it's a VRAM. It won't give you GPU not detected error in the initial post. Oh, by the way, it does do that. It does give that initial post error. 5 beeps, I think it was. I can't remember. But it's definitely related to GPU. That does look a bit weird. Okay. 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 Yeah, visual inspection of here doesn't look very good. Okay, let's have a look at. What's happened here? This is very strange. It's unusual. Has this been through some sort of a liquid adventure? Okay. Okay. If that's 0 ohm, what? That should be making a beep. It is not. Oh, there we go. No. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Should that be making a beep? No. Obviously not. Okay, so coming back to here. What do we got? So that's reading as short. Okay. What about these guys? What's happened to you guys? Yeah, there is definitely fuse is gone. Yeah, I don't think that should be making a beep sound. Anyway, I'm not going to bother too much. Let's bring in the thermal camera and bring in the boss. See what the boss says. Okay. All right. 0.8 amps, volts. All right. I saw absolutely nothing. Okay. All right. Nothing there. How about our beautiful GPU? Let's focus around there. Okay. One more time. Okay. I just don't see anything yet. Okay. How about anything around here? Nope, about there. Okay, let's go back there again. Maybe something is wrong on the other side. What are the chances that this cap is gone? Okay, let's try and get that in focus. Okay, just like that. Anything? No. Okay. All right, you know what? I need to run a wire. That would be the best way. Okay, 1 second. All right, we need a wire for soldering. Okay, who's the best candidate? Candidate. It's like the elections. One second, I just need to tune this guy up. Okay, just need to be gentle with this guy. We can now rotate the board, ground, thermal camera, power, switch. Okay, here we are. Okay, nothing there. Okay. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Let's go a little deeper. Nothing. Okay, nothing. 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 Okay, there it is. No, that's just a shiny spot. No, that's just a shiny spot. Okay, I get absolutely nothing at the moment. Let's try these MOSFETs. Okay, 1 second. Let's get this cable routing correct. Okay. Answer is nothing. If we keep getting nothing, it's going to be the GPU core. Okay, nothing. Okay, still nothing. Disconnect. It's just a shiny spot. Far out. Okay. Cut the power. Let me check that fuse again. One side is going to ground. Yes, it is. Okay, let's inject there then. Okay. So we're going to now inject where the fuse area is, where one side was shorted. then it's got to be the GPU core. Yeah, disconnected. Reconnected. Okay, yeah. All right, let's remove the wire. And this time, connect it where the fuse is. Okay, 1 second. That makes sense. There is, two power lines. One of them is reading as short. How about the other one? Let me double check. Okay, yeah. Okay. So this fuse is good. This fuse is not good. That side is short at the ground. Okay. Hopefully it's a MOSFET. Okay, you know what? You don't want to come out? I'll make a bridge out of you. There we go. And that should still be going to ground. Yep, sweet. Okay. Shouldn't be that big of a deal, right? Just go straight to MOSFET or something. Hopefully we find it. Okay. Okay. I'm going to remove all the heatsink thermal pads. I think the reason why we can't see it, it's hiding under one of these. Let me remove all of these. Dried. There we go. So now we revealed all of these guys. Here we go. One of them should hopefully. Wow, the board is so thick. I can't feel anything. How crazy is this? I can't feel anything. Okay, so if you can't feel anything even at this stage, there's a very, very, very high chance it's the GPU, the core. Can't seem to understand what else it could be. I don't want to increase the amps voltage any higher since it will create a. I mean, if the GPU is dead, it's dead anyway, but I don't want any voltage to go through and damage the GPU if it isn't the GPU. It could be something else, maybe. You just have to look at the heat signature. Okay, got that. Let's go 0.9. You can now see it increasing. Go back a little. Okay. No individual component is coming up with a heat signature. This is where the power is going through. These are just resistors. 2005. What? After, right. Okay, cut the power. Okay, so there are some more. Oh, yeah, 1 second. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna conclude. Wait, I was gonna try one more thing. Okay, let me remove these heat sinks that are remaining on the board. Okay, now everything is pretty much exposed. Okay, here we go. Yeah, no, this is the last chance. There are all these MOSFETs, none of them are glowing up. No, that's our baby, that's gone, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Okay, one thing I did notice, if you go back to the camera, this guy looks so strange. This is a R005. This guy's burned to bits. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Let's remove this guy. He's cooked, bro. Hmm. Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah, that side is also short. Jeez. Okay. Just out of curiosity, man. Okay. Let's see where this will lead. Was it the right side that had the short? Yep, okay. Who knows? Maybe we can see something. Yeah, we can see this heat getting more and more. Yeah, okay, definitely GPU. All right, that's confirmed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.